Okay, so it's been a while since I've done the last video, and don't call me lazy because A, I've been busy, but B, it's because I put new tyres on the car, and there's not really any point in coming back and saying 2 days after putting the tyres on the car that, oh my god, they're amazing, because I want to actually drive the car for a month and see how it felt. And I mean, I was coming from the same tyres before, but going to a bigger size, so I had a pretty good idea of what they were like. But in that time, I was off to Summer Nats again, which I've been lucky enough to go to for the last 8 years now as part of the TV crew. And also after that I went to Mount Gambier to go to Mac Park to hang out with Levi Day and Davo Johnson. Since the last video, fitted the new tyres up. Now they are, as mentioned before, the Yokohama Geolander ATSs. You know, basically a 35 inch, but in a metric they're just under 35 inch, so like a 34.8 I think. And put them on a dynamic steel rim. Now I'll put all the details of that below so you know what the tyres are and what the rims are. But thanks to Brett and the guys at Solid, we fitted the tyres up and then headed back down to Pedders and checked the wheel alignment again. Now I'm pretty happy with it, and I mean the suspension itself, that's just as good as it was the minute it came out of the shop, like, and it's settled in a bit more too now, so really happy with the way the car drives now. It's really changed. So keeping this short, the car's now at the point where it drives really nice, the tyres are great, I've done all the brakes before, but what's going to happen with it next is the aesthetic transformation. I've changed the rear bumper on the car, I made a new rear bumper for it, and I've modified the front bumper from the standard TJM bar that was there before. It had a bit of a hard life, so I've chopped it up and put some cool dimple dye holes in it, painted it black. But the next part of the car is changing the outside, and with the help of the guys from R&N Motor Bodies, it's going to be all painted in Raptor, which is a really cool product from a company called U-Pole. And we're doing a couple of other things to it, but you'll see that when it happens. So we'll catch up with you soon.